Bem-vindos ao nosso espaço, um mergulho profundo nos assuntos mais interessantes de esportes, ciências e temas gerais do momento. Aqui você vai encontrar conteúdo de qualidade, com análises empolgantes e descobertas fascinantes que vão expandir seus horizontes. Nossa missão é trazer informação relevante de forma dinâmica e descontraída. Queremos que você faça parte dessa jornada incrível de conhecimento e diversão. Se gostar do nosso conteúdo, não esqueça de deixar seu like e se inscrever no canal para não perder nenhuma novidade. Ative o sininho também. Aproveite!
If you love science, don't forget to like and subscribe. When we talk about life and evolution, we inherently talk about genetics. DNA is the blueprint, RNA is the messenger, and proteins are the functional machines. This sequence, the central dogma of molecular biology, has governed our understanding of life for decades. But hiding in the deepest recesses of neuroscience is an entity so simple, yet so profoundly terrifying, that it fundamentally challenges everything we know about inheritance, infection, and evolution: the prion. Prions are not viruses, they are not bacteria, and they are certainly not alive in any traditional sense. They are simply proteins, misfolded proteins, but ones that carry deadly, inheritable information entirely within their three-dimensional shape. This is the cryptic geometry of prions, and it's why they are essentially unkillable. The story of the prion begins with the normal cellular prion protein, known as PRP-C. This protein is abundant in the brains of mammals, where its function remains somewhat mysterious but is thought to involve cellular signaling and copper binding. Structurally, PRP-C is characterized by soft, coiled shapes called alpha helices. But under certain rare conditions, whether by spontaneous misfolding, inheritance, or external infection, this benign shape snaps. It converts into the infectious, pathogenic form, PRP-C, characterized by tough, flattened structures called beta sheets. This transition is catastrophic. The new structure is hyper-stable, resistant to heat, radiation, and all known sterilization methods. Now, here is the critical part. PRP-C acts as a template. When it encounters a normal PRP-C molecule, it doesn't need to inject genetic material or undergo replication. It simply forces the normal protein to adopt its own misfolded, infectious geometry. It's a chain reaction of enforced conformity, turning the brain's healthy proteins into sticky, insoluble plaques, eventually riddling the tissue with sponge-like holes. This process is known as propagation, not replication. And this is where prions shatter traditional evolutionary rules. Darwinian evolution relies on genetic variation. DNA mutates, and the fittest gene variants survive. But prions have no genes, yet they exhibit distinct strains. For example, the prion causing scrapie in sheep is structurally different from the one causing bovine spongiform encephalopathy, or mad cow disease, in cattle. These different strains represent distinct geometric conformations of the misfolded protein. They are adaptations, evolutionary traits, inherited and propagated, yet without any nucleic acid to encode them. We are looking at evolution through pure structure, a form of protein-only inheritance. If a small change in the folding structure occurs, that new geometry is instantly template copied across the entire population of proteins, creating a new, stable strain capable of crossing species barriers with different efficiencies. Think about the implications. Biological information isn't just stored in A's, T's, C's, and G's. It can be stored in the angle of a protein fold, a subtle geometric signature capable of conveying deadly information. Diseases caused by prions, like Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease or the historical disease Kuru, are tragic precisely because of this unique mechanism. Since the infectious agent is just a misfolded version of a protein the body naturally produces, the immune system often fails to recognize it as foreign. Furthermore, because the infection is structure-based, traditional antiviral or antibiotic drugs designed to target DNA or cell walls are completely useless. The prion is biology's ultimate minimalist, a terrifyingly efficient information carrier that uses shape alone to wreak havoc. It stands as a chilling reminder that the rules of life, inheritance, and disease are far more flexible, and potentially far stranger, than the blueprints we thought were absolute. For more incredible facts like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.